Welcome. Today we're diving into data type conversion. Sounds geeky, right? But trust me, it's crucial. Imagine trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. That's what happens when data types don't align. Data must be converted correctly, or we risk misinterpretation or outright errors. Each programming environment has its quirks, making conversions fascinating. Stick with me and you'll never fear data conversion again. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Let's talk numbers. Floats hold decimal values, great for precise calculations. Integers, on the other hand, are whole numbers, saving memory but losing precision when converting. Ever ordered a coffee and received half a cup instead? That's what happens when conversions aren't handled well, unexpected results. We'll explore how rounding impacts your data and why precision matters in making informed decisions. Why bother converting floats to integers? Well, imagine carrying a suitcase full of unnecessary items. It's heavy and cumbersome. Similarly, excessive decimal precision can slow down processing and complicate calculations. Sometimes we just need plain, whole numbers to keep things simple and efficient. But be careful, dropping decimals may mean losing crucial details. The challenges. If only converting float to integer was as easy as snapping fingers. Rounding can lead to lost precision, systems may treat converted data differently, and miscalculations can creep in. Picture baking a cake with the wrong measurements, it's bound to be a disaster. Handling conversions right ensures your data stays intact and useful. Meet AsInteger, a handy tool for converting floats to integers, but beware. It truncates decimals, meaning no rounding happens. It's like chopping off the decimal without a second thought. This function helps when you need whole numbers fast, but proceed with caution. Removing decimals might change results unexpectedly. Alright folks, let's talk about converting numeric data types the right way. First, know your source and target types, just like choosing the right ingredient for a recipe. Next, explicit conversions are your best friend. Don't let implicit conversions sneak up on you. Also, watch out for data loss. If you squeeze an elephant into a suitcase, well, it won't fit. Finally, always validate the results, because assumptions can lead to disaster. Rounding errors are sneaky. Ever seen a total bill that's mysteriously off by a cent? That's rounding gone rogue. Use precise data types to keep things clean, and beware of floating point arithmetic. It's not always as precise as you'd think. Instead, explicitly round your numbers to control the outcome. And don't forget edge cases, because surprises in code are fun until they are not. A performance matters. Converting data types too often can slow things down, so keep it efficient. Unnecessary conversions inside loops. That's a big no-no. Pick fast conversion methods and dodge expensive operations. And if you're serious about speed, profiling and benchmarking are your secret weapons. Remember, slow code isn't just annoying, it's an invitation to coffee breaks while waiting for results. So where does all this conversion magic happen? In finance, precision is king. Imagine rounding errors in payroll. Data science thrives on consistent data, or your results will look like abstract art. Web apps, they need to handle user input correctly or chaos ensues. And IoT devices, they depend on accurate sensor data, unless you fancy wild temperature readings that say it's 200 degrees C outside. Mistakes happen, but let's avoid them. Default conversions may not work how you expect, so don't trust them blindly. Precision matters. Rounding errors can sneak into calculations. Implicit type conversions. Overusing them is like walking on a tightrope blindfolded. And finally, always have proper error handling, because debugging conversion issues is nobody's idea of weekend fun. Alright, wrapping things up. Numeric conversions need care, don't just wing it. Precision and performance go hand in hand, so be mindful. Stick to best practices and sidestep those common mistakes. And most importantly, validate and test. Because nothing says I trust my code like thorough testing. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.